So we're going to show you how to do the full Turkish get-up. So this is the next step once we've done the bottom stuff that we've done previously. So she's going to start on her side with the bell. She's going to roll to her back, and then she's going to floor press it up, making sure that the wrist is completely neutral without any movement there. This leg is going to be at 45 degrees. This arm is going to be at 45 degrees. This shin is going to be vertical. The foot is going to be a little bit lateral to the hip. So the first bit is just like we did before as our core drill. So she's going to breathe, pushing her heel into the ground, using her arm to pull herself up to the elbow. Good. This is completely vertical. Her eyes are on the bell. Now she's going to rotate to prop up to her hand. Shoulder is stable. Everything's in a good position. She's going to do a big sweeping motion. Her eyes are still on the bell. Her knee is underneath her hip. This is at about 90 degrees, and the shoulders are stacked. Now, she's going to hinge a little bit. Once this hand comes up, she's no longer going to look at the bell anymore. So you got to come back. So you're still here. So she comes out of that hinge. Yeah, now rotate that knee and that leg. Yeah, and now she's going to stand up. From this position, you want to make sure that the ribs are down. She's not hyperextending her back. There's no forward head posture. The wrist is still neutral. Now you're going to step back. Now rotate, reverse. Yeah, hinge back. Plant the hand. Now as soon as that hand comes down, she's looking at the bell. We want to make sure that she's stacked, shoulders are in a good position. She's going to do a big sweeping motion with her leg. Eyes stay on the bell. She's going to come down to her forearm and then her arm. And then when she's done, she's going to bring it all the way down. And then you roll and then do the other side. So we'll go through that a little bit quicker. So we'll do left side. So 45 degrees, 45 degrees. Good. To the hand, big sweeping motion, hinge. So I want you to break this down. You're doing it too quick. So do it again. So once you come out of the hinge, then you rotate. So it's two separate moves. Don't do what Dre did. Good. And then you're going to step back, rotate, then hinge, then hand comes down. Good. Okay. Forward press it down, roll. Good.